Namaste from TechRaman. Moto E5 Plus is here. Let's check out the features, tips and tricks. Moto E5 Plus, the Indian variant, has a dedicated microSD card, so you can happily have two SIMs and boost the storage with memory card too. The E5 Plus supports OTG, so if you have a mini drive or a cable adapter for your pen drive, access all the folders on the phone, copy or paste contents between the device. The 13 megapixel rear camera has EIS, so have a steady video recording. The front camera also has a LED flash in case you want to take a selfie under low light conditions. The 5000 mAh battery is big, but you always run out of battery, right? So there is a battery saver mode in the battery settings. The fingerprint sensor is at the rear and I quite like the Moto logo on it. The sensor is accurate though not the fastest. Sadly, there is no app lock. The display settings has a color mode. You can play around it to a warmer or cooler temperature. More on display, the Moto display feature has a night mode, so you can reduce the blue light emission when using the phone at night, or even you can schedule it. Keep your eyes safe. Moto Actions has a 3-finger screenshot and all you need to do is tap with the 3 fingers. Cool, right? There is also a one-hand mode in case you want to shrink the screen size. You are in a meeting and the phone rings, you can enable this option and the phone stops ringing when you pick up. There is also a flip to activate DND mode. Attentive Display feature once turned on, make sure your screen is not timed out as long as you are staring at it. So these are the various features, tips and tricks you can get on the Moto E5 Plus, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Lakshmajan signing off at TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.